Hello and welcome to this video where we will be reviewing the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel. This cleaning gel has become increasingly popular in recent years and we're excited to share our thoughts on it. Let's get started. PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is a unique cleaning solution that comes in the form of a gel. It is designed to clean hard-to-reach areas, such as the gaps between keys on a keyboard, the vents on a car dashboard, or the crevices on a phone case. The gel is made with a sticky, yet gentle formula that can easily pick up dust, dirt, and debris from any surface. Features and benefits: easy to use. The PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is incredibly easy to use. Simply press the gel onto the surface you want to clean, and it will pick up any dust, dirt, or debris in its path. The gel is also easy to remove and won't leave any residue behind. Multipurpose. One of the best things about the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is that it is incredibly versatile. You can use it to clean a wide range of surfaces. This makes it a great investment if you're looking for a cleaning solution that can do it all. Reusable. Another great feature of the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is that it is reusable. Once you've finished using it, you can simply store it in its container, and it will be ready to use again the next time you need it. This makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning solution. Safe. The PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is made with a gentle formula that is safe to use on a wide range of surfaces. It won't damage or scratch delicate surfaces, making it a great choice for cleaning electronic devices, jewelry, and other delicate items. The only downside to the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is that it can be a bit messy to use. The gel is quite sticky, and if you're not careful, it can get stuck to your fingers or other surfaces. However, this is a minor inconvenience, and overall, we think that the benefits of the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel far outweigh any potential drawbacks. If you're looking for a versatile, effective, and eco-friendly cleaning solution, then the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is definitely worth checking out. It's easy to use, safe for a wide range of surfaces, and can help you clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. We highly recommend it, and hope that this review has been helpful in making your decision. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.